Hello everyone. Today we discuss some important problems of probability distribution and expectation. These are very important for BCA, BTech and BSc courses. So let's start some important examples. This is the first example. Look at the example. Two cards are drawn successively without replacement from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Now, find the probability distribution of the number of aces. Since we know that in all total 52 cards, there are total 4 kinds of cards. Club, spade, heart and diamond. And we need to pick up 2 cards from these 52 cards. So, need to find the probability distribution of the number of aces, where we can denote x by the number of aces. Since we need to find 2 cards, we need to take 2 cards from a deck of 52 cards. So x varies from 0, 1 and 2. And probability x equal to I, that is a5. When I equal to 0, that means there is no s. So remaining 48 cards, we need to pick 2 cards. So the probability will be 48C2 by 52C2. Similarly, when I equal to 1, we need to find the probability, that is 48C1 into 4C1 by 52C2. Since we need to take 1 card from these 4 S's and remaining 1 card from this 48 S's, 48 cards, sorry. 1 S from 4 S's and remaining 1 cards from 48 cards. So the probability will be that 48C1 into 4C1 by 52C2. Similarly, for next case, we need to take 2s from 4s's. So the probability will be 4c2 by 52c2. Hence the result. Next, there is another important problem, that is, this example is of ball from box cases. So let's check what is the problem. 5 balls are drawn from a box containing 4 black and 6 white balls. Find the probability distribution of the number of black balls drawn without replacement. Mind it, the term is without replacement. Our first example is also for without replacement. Second example is also for without replacement case. Okay. So here we need to find the probability distribution of the number of black balls. So there are 4 black balls. So let us consider x denotes the number of black balls drawn from this collection. So x varies from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So x equal to 0 means there is no black ball. All the balls are white balls, and from these white balls we need to take 5 balls. So the distribution will be 6c5 by 10c5. Similarly, when x equal to 1, so there is only one black ball. So we need to take one black ball from 4 black balls and remaining 4 balls from that 6 white balls. So the distribution will be 4c1 into 6c4 by 10c5. Similarly for all the cases. Okay. So the value will be that. This is the probability distribution of the number of black balls drawn without replacement. Next, another important problem. 3 coins whose faces are marked 1 and 2 are tossed. What is the expectation of the total values of the number on their faces? So 3 coins. So we need to consider 3 coins. So first we need to find the expectation for 1 coin. Expectation of the total values of one coin. Let X, Y, Z denote the face marked for first coin, second coin and third coin respectively. And the probability distribution for X will be that. So which is similar for Y and Z also. So let us check why I am writing these two values. So when X equal to 1, actually I denote here that X denotes the face marked for first coin. So it is given that faces are marked 1 and 2. So X varies from 1 and 2. So when X equal to 1, that is our F1, and when X equal to 2, that is our F2. So the probability distribution will be half for that face, and similarly for other face the probability distribution also half, since it is a unbiased coin. So expectation X, that is the expectation of total values for first coin, that is 1 into half plus 2 into half, that is 3 by 2. Since there are exactly 3 coins and each have same distribution and as that of X, so expectation of total values of number of their faces be expectation X plus Y plus Z. And since expectation is a linear function, so it is same as expectation X plus expectation Y plus expectation Z. So that is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 9 by 2. This is the answer. The next problem, which is different from the other three problems. So let us start the problem. The random variable x has a probability density function fx equal to k when x equal to 0, equal to 2k when x equal to 1, equal to 3k when x equal to 2 and 0 otherwise. So determine the value for k. This is the first case. Next problem. Determine the probability when x strictly less than 2. Next, determine the smallest value of k for which probability x less than equal to k is greater than half. So first we need to find what is the values for k. It is given that this fx denotes the probability density function, and we know that the sum of probability density function always gives equal to 1. So when you consider the sum, it is same as 1. That gives us k equal to 1 by 6. So the value for k is 1 by 6. Next, we need to find probability x less than 2. Look at the term x strictly less than 2. So this is actually same as probability x equal to 0 plus probability x equal to 1, as otherwise the value equal to 0. So this will be same as k plus 2k, that is 3k, which is same as half. Next, the smallest value for k for which probability x less equal to k is greater than half. That is, we need to find the smallest value of k. For this k, this relation holds. Now from the previous example, we can see that if k equal to 1, since here we use that less than equal to. So when k equal to 1, the probability x less equal to 1, that is probability x equal to 0 plus x equal to 1 equal to half. So we need to put that k equal to 2. When we put k equal to 2, that gives us probability x less equal to 2 equal to 1. So the smallest value of k will be 2. That's the answer. Next, an unbiased coin is tossed 4 times. Find the variance of the number of times a head is followed immediately by a tail. The number of times head is followed immediately by a tail. So, we denote x by the number of times head is followed by a tail. So, x can take the values 0, 1 or 2. The events where x can take the value 0 be these 5 cases, that is consecutive 4h or first consecutive 3h after tail occurs. This are so. So there are total 5 possibilities. Next, similarly, there are total 10 possibilities. In that 10 possibilities, that x can take the value 1. Next, for this case only, that shows that 2 times a head followed immediately by a tail. So, the distribution will be, when x equal to 0, the probability will be 5 by 16. When x equal to 1, the probability will be 10 by 16. And for x equal to 2, the probability will be 1 by 16. Since there are all total 16 cases, 5 for case 0, 10 for case 1 and 1 for case 2. So that's why for 0 the probability will be 5 by 16 and so on. Next, we need to find what is expectation x, that is our mean, which gives us expectation x, that is 0 into 5 by 16 plus 1 into 10 by 16 plus 2 into 1 by 16, that is 3 by 4. Similarly, expectation x square, that is summation xi square into fi, that is 0 into 5 by 16, 1 square means 1 into 10 by 16 plus 2 square into 1 by 16, that is 14 by 16. So, variance x equal to expectation x square minus mean square, that is 5 by 16. So, the variance of number of times a head is followed immediately by a tail is 5 by 16. Hence the answer. Thank you.